Namaste to all, I'm Sangita Patel. Welcome you all to Divine Healing channel, and today's video is daily positive affirmations. Yes, I'll be sharing 50 affirmations which you can be using with daily according to your need and use. You can use all these 50 daily affirmations or maybe any affirmations which you like and according to your need and according to your purpose. Life is to motivate yourself and to motivate others, right? Healthy habits makes your mind cool and calm, isn't it? So now I will be sharing daily positive affirmations which you can use daily according to your need and use. And please to use this affirmation daily by speaking. You can speak loudly or in your mind. Also, you can write this down. And if you do not have time to speak, what you can do, now everybody has a smartphone. So you can record in your voice and repeat as many times as you want any affirmations, and this will also work miraculously. So the first affirmation is I love being me. Second is I get better every day. Third is I am unique. Fourth is I am special. Fifth is I am whole. Sixth is I am unique. Seventh is I make a positive difference in the society and the world. Eighth is I believe into myself. Ninth is I do my best every day. 10th is I am very smart. 11th is I am the most beautiful in all ways. 12th is I am always willing to learn and willing to learn something new. 13 is I am fun. 14 is I trust myself. 15 is I can do it. 16 is I can do anything my mind do. 17 is I am loved. 18 is I am worthy to be loved. 19 is I am blessed. 20 is I am limitless. 21 is I am focused on positivity. 22 is I am thankful. 23 is I am safe. 24 is I am helpful. 25th is I am truthful. 26 is I am forgiveness. 27 is I am kind. 28 is I am peaceful. 29 is I am talented. 30 is I am confident. 31 is I am funny. 32 is I love people and people love me the same way as I love them. 33 is I am earning abundance of wealth and I am also utilizing it for the welfare of the society. 34 is I am disciplined. 35 is I am brave. 36 is I am respectful. 37 is I am responsible. 38 is I am polite. 39 is I will face my fear gracefully. 40 is I love nature. 41 is I love birds and animals and the gift of nature. 42 is I make others smile. 43 is I am living to my fully potential. 44 is I am attracting new opportunities. 45 is I wake up early in the morning. 46 is I make my bed myself and I keep my room very neat and clean. 47 is I practice daily breathing exercise. 48 is I make vision board and I practice visualization daily. 49 is I make a reflect on my life. 50 and the most important is that I write daily gratitude in my journal before going to bed. So my dear viewers, use these affirmations daily. Either you can chant with me in this video, save this video and chant daily, and you see the miracle result in your life. I hope you like these daily small affirmations and you will start using it. And when you use and get the result, please do comment in the comment box. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. To all my subscribers, people who are helping me to make this video, and people who are inspired to make this video, thank you, all of you. Do subscribe to my channel and like my videos and share with your friends and family. So till I see you next time, I Sangita Patel take your leave with lots of love, light and angel blessings. Namaste.